Hello guys, Tiago Gomes, the creator of Hellphior Games here, and today we are here for another devlog number 9, and I have some visual updates to show you and other stuff to tell you. So since the last devlog, I made a few changes, and the majority is visual changes. So we had, as you see, I posted some images on Patreon, where I showed you the new caps that have been created. So I made a choice to create national teams caps and to add national teams to the game, and obviously all the teams that we had, they are out. Okay, so we don't have Barceloneta and the other teams inside the game, only national teams. I think it's easier and is the best choice because we don't have to make contact with clubs and stuff. So I think it's easy like this. It's a choice, and I think it's the easier choice, but yeah, I made it. So we have almost all the caps. I have 27 national teams. Okay, so we have 27 national team caps and stuff. Oh, sorry, my phone. And we need 32. So we need a couple more, and I'm still thinking about what national teams should join our game. But you can check my Instagram to choose that too. So let's go straight to what I want to show you. As you can see, the loading menu is very different now. I add the players in here, the new players. We have a new logo because we have the Hungarian and Serbian teams here, and we have these 6 different national teams here too with the body added. I think it's pretty nice how the loading menu is looking now. The ball is gonna rotate here instead of on the right bottom corner. I think it's better this way. And yeah, that's it. When we press play, of course the ball is gonna rotate. You're going to have sound, everything like we had before. And I'm gonna show you the next steps that we need to do too. So we have the menu with the new logo. I think I'm gonna try to add different stuff in here because I think we don't have we have too much space in here that we are not using. Obviously we don't have all the buttons that I wish to have, so we are going to have different buttons to different game modes, and the settings button too. I wanted to put to the player can choose the keybinds that you wanna use. So we are going to have a settings menu. If the game goes to PC, but the idea is to go to only for mobile, at least in the first release, as you can see. As I can tell, that's it. So we press play, we choose here, and we have we have this second this first exhibition where we can choose the body type that we want. So there are a couple bugs here. It's not working fine. I think I showed you this before. So in here the idea is to choose the type of body that we want, so the color of the body to be darker or lighter, okay, for each team. And then we go to the menu where you choose the teams. This one is working fine. Okay, so I'm gonna select random, and we are going to game, and there are a couple of things that I want to say. So the colors are not coming for this scene. I don't know why. Okay, so the script is not working fine, but the teams and the name of the teams are working perfect. So they are coming here. nothing that so it's fine. The cap on the player here is working fine too. Okay, so the problem right now is that we don't have the bodies that we choose, and the time is not going down. Okay, because of this error. I don't know why, but that is happening. Okay, so my idea is to I'm gonna show you. My idea is to have only this menu. Okay, this menu, and I'm gonna have the arrows here. They are going to stay here to choose the teams, and I'm gonna put like some I'm gonna put like the flag here and the three types of players, so we can select the team. Okay, so we can select the flag that we want, and then select the player that we want. If you want the player to be more darker or more lighter, you know. So that's what I want to do only in one menu to be easier, and maybe the script will work. So I will have 3 different caps for the whole 27 teams. They are going to be 32, but for now 27 teams, and it's gonna be a painful work, but I think it's the best option. Of course, I'm gonna change this, and I'm not gonna use these backgrounds because the images are not mine, and I'm doing everything. So I wanna paint something to put behind too. And after this, I finally start working on our audience. Okay, so we finally have an audience. It's not perfect, but I think it's fine. We have a big image here. I just draw this background one day. I was trying to learn how to make these beautiful backgrounds, and I think this one fits perfect, and that's fine because we only see a little bit. And the idea here is to, of course, I'm gonna change the people here. They're not gonna be all the same like you see here. I'm gonna put people with the arms up, arms down, some flags maybe. I think they are not gonna move because it's something probably too much difficult to do, but at least they are going to be very different, and I'm gonna try to associate the people that we have on the audience to each team. So if I choose Germany here, the people here are going to have colors related to the flag, you know. So I'm gonna try to do that. Maybe I will have to just do 27 different audiences, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna do that, and so I think it's better, you know. So I'm probably gonna have like kids with yellow, men with red, and women's with black or something. So that's what I want to do, and the idea is, so they are all sitting there, and this is supposed to be a stairs, but I don't think it's really fine. So it's not fine. I need to change it a little bit, but at least we have a start. We have something to work with, and I think it's getting better. So the next step is to change a little bit more the visuals. I want to change this background and the other background of the menu. We need to we are going to delete this scene and add to the exhibition scene the body types for each team too. That's the idea, and I'm gonna put just heads, you know. I'm gonna put the flag. Maybe the flag's gonna stay here. I'm gonna put the cap here, one head here, and some arrows to the side just to choose the body type. I think it's fine. I think it's easy to do. So when we press here, it's gonna change everything. I think it's not that hard. I'm gonna try to do that, and that's it. When this ends, when I finally got this working, I'm gonna put this, and I'm gonna make sure that everything is okay, and I have the audience, everything. When this ends, I'm gonna make sure that I create a demo, okay? And this demo and everything that we have here is gonna work for to raise some money, okay, for the job that I've been working and everything. I'm gonna do something related to that. And I hope everyone that likes the game and wanna see the game succeed can help me. And so I have to work hard for the demo and to release the demo so that people can try, and I'm gonna put it everywhere. And I want to raise some money because I spend a lot of time doing this, and that's what I want to do. That's my job, not for now, but I want to be my job. So I'm gonna do that, but I will tell you later when that happens. So right now, make the audience better. Make sure that we have finally the exhibition menu clear with body types, and that the body types are working on our game scene, and have a very good playable game. And then I'm gonna release the demo, very simple for everyone, so we can play on the mobile, very easy. You can play on PC too against your friends. Not online for now, but at least for your friend that is with you on your computer. And that's it. Then I need some budget to continue working, create another game modes. I want to create game modes where we can put the heads bigger, ball bigger, goals bigger, something like that. At least it's the first one, and that's it. This is how this is how I want to do, and this is what I want to do next. Okay, so hope you enjoyed. Thank you for the help that you gave me, and see you guys next week.